Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your computer mouse does not appear to be allowing you to double click or it's not functioning. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select mouse. And in here you just need to select the buttons tab, and in here you just need to make sure click lock is unchecked over here. If it is checked mark over here, you just need to uncheck it, and double click speed, double click the folder to test your setting. If the folder does not open or close, try using a slower setting guys. You just need to drag this to slower. In my case this is perfect. And after adjusting the double click speed, you just need to select apply and OK for save changes. Hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.